welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is a day in the life of a college snow day, which basically means we're still doing a ton of work, and Nashville, along with many other places, including Texas, got hit with a winter snowstorm. I know Texas has it way worse, so I've been praying for the people and friends I have there and anyone who's been affected by the storm. We got ice Sunday night, and then Monday and yesterday it started snowing and hailing, and it's not flurrying or doing anything today, but there's still the ice and the snow on the ground. So all my classes today have been moved to online, which is fine by me because I have a lot of work I want to get ahead on. And I'm so excited because also I just got a notification that my HelloFresh comes in tonight. Bless up, because I have no groceries. Because I haven't been out of my house in 3 days. So I think now I'm going to do a few things for my new workbooks I need to contact my manufacturer about, edit this TikTok I filmed last week, and then make breakfast. That's the plan for the next 30 minutes or so. I'm going to bear the cold to show you guys the snow. It doesn't look like a lot here on our balcony because we have a roof overhead, but there's probably a couple inches, but it's mainly ice, I would say. It is freezing. 19 degrees, but it's high of 34, which is the warmest it's been in a few days here in Nashville, but we're literally supposed to get more snow. Oh my God, we're supposed to get more snow tonight. What? Hey guys, I want to take a quick break in this video to talk about this video's sponsor, HelloFresh. I have been a fan of HelloFresh for the past 6 months. My roommate Lucy and I started purchasing HelloFresh last semester. We got, I think, about 5 boxes, paid for with our own money, like just trying it out for ourselves, and we loved it. They gave us this phenomenal meatball recipe. Best meatballs ever. I'll show you guys the card with the recipe. These are the meatballs and the amazing sauce. And so I'm so excited to be working with HelloFresh on this video because I know that I love the meals. I already have some favorites, and they are seriously such a great resource for busy college students. HelloFresh is a meal delivery service that allows you to customize your meals based on your preferences. So whether you're vegetarian, vegan, health conscious, I get the normal box. HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit. They make cooking at home fun, easy, and affordable because they basically send you all the ingredients you need to make delicious, unique meals to your door, and it's all pre-measured. So if you're new to cooking, as many college students are, you can learn how to make amazing recipes. You don't have to go out and purchase all the large containers of the ingredients you need because they all come portioned to exactly what you need for your meals. They're delicious, okay? We have not had a meal that we did not like. So my HelloFresh box got delivered today, and I'm so excited about the meals I got in it because one has one of our favorite recipes, the firecracker meatballs, barbecue pineapple flatbreads, I think we're gonna make this tonight, and then a bavette steak and sherry shallot sauce with Parmesan potato clusters and roasted green beans. I don't think I've ever cooked a steak. So this will be a fun experiment and good to learn. And I save time by not having to go to the grocery store and going through the aisles and going down my list and figuring out what ingredients I need to make these new meals. It's all delivered right to my door. I'm ready to start cooking, and it's a fun experience too. We put on some music, me and my roommate will cook our meal together, and it's a really fun time. So HelloFresh also gave me a discount code for you guys. So use my code HannahAshton10 to get 10 free meals across your 4 boxes with HelloFresh. Just visit the link in my description box to get that deal. I'm gonna make a HelloFresh meal for my dinner tonight, so I will see you then and you can kind of see the process. But for now, let's get back to the video. All right, you see my breath? I'm waiting for my car to heat up. It says 16 degrees, but I'm happy to get out of the apartment for a little bit and to get my eyebrows done. Lucy went to class. She said the roads were safe, the main roads, so that's good. Just kidding. Starbucks and the salon are closed, even though they didn't send out an email to me like they did yesterday about the salon being closed. So looks like I will not be getting my eyebrows done anytime soon. I'm gonna drive to this other Starbucks just so that there's a point of me going out. I'm gonna drive to this other one and see if they're open because it's like 2 minutes down the road. But I totally understand. It's just, I wish I would have gotten an email so I could have planned ahead.
What can we get for you now?
Good. I'll have a grande matcha latte.
Okay, grande hot matcha latte.
And then another grande hot matcha latte, but with almond milk.
Okay, venti hot matcha latte regular and a venti hot matcha with almond milk.
Sorry, both grandes. I haven't been to Starbucks in, I can't even remember how long. But got one for me and for Lucy Lou. Thanks so much. You too. Did about an hour of work on the couch. May have ended up watching a Disney vlog for the last 15 minutes. Yeah, I just needed a little bit of happiness, and I love Disney vlogs. Just from like random people, I'll watch them. But have my full glass of water. I will probably drink this throughout the whole class. Just gives you something to do, you know? So goal is to drink this whole glass of water within the 50 minutes of my class. And yeah, we're gonna log in. I got my iPad to take notes. I still got lots to do though. We will get it done.
Get asked in the first meeting. You can always email your client, but it would be great to add this question in the first meeting. Throughout this process, who do you want to get information that I'm here studying this? And when the process is done, how any communication will come from, and you'll put the group member's name,
Lacey's looking at the weather forecast.
This is what it shows.
Oh my goodness. Okay, that's at 1. That's like now.
It's literally like a giant little cluster coming through. It's kind of fun to watch though. I kind of like watching it through.
Oh, oh wow.
I know.
It is starting to snow. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my goodness, starting to it's kind of like rain, snow. It looks like little ice more than snow. But I just spent about an hour and a half working and actually finishing up a paper, which I am really proud of. I'm still going to look over it the next few days, get people to proofread it, but it is done. And I do break up my work into like 30-minute increments. So you saw I set a timer for 30 minutes. I'll like focus on one thing. So on that 30 minutes, the first one I was working on the final paragraph. So I worked or the final section, which was a few paragraphs. So I worked on that for 30 minutes, and then I spent 30 minutes putting together the bibliography, and then took a break, did something else for 30 minutes with it. But now it is, I need to put my watch back on. I'll get a workout in before my second class of the day, and then my third class today is online, but it's my night class, so normally it's 3 hours. So I may be on Zoom for 3 hours tonight, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. All right, you guys know the spot. It is time for class. It is snowing outside. I took a real quick shower, and I need to log on to my second class of the day, managing business systems. It's basically just a lot of Excel work. So yeah, but it's only 50 minutes, and then I'll plan on making dinner. Oh yes, and I'm gonna show you guys a time lapse of the snow because it's so pretty out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
I know, that is actually really cute. Is it like tiny
Barbecue sauce.
That's actually really cute. We got our mozzarella, our pineapple, and we have something spicy. Red wine vinegar. It's so cute.
outside.
Me too.
Making a little latte tonight to get through this night class. And we're back at my desk for my final class of the night. I got my coffee, my blanket, a water. I may move to the couch later in the class, but at first, this first part I have to present. Just want to lay in bed and watch TV, but we have school to do. Every night this week I've worked late into the night to try to get ahead on stuff for the weekend, and it's been exhausting, but I'm happy to be getting everything done early so I can enjoy my time off. But I'm not used to working till like 8 or 9 p.m. every night of the week. So
the specific idea of the $5 foot long, it started off as a
yeah, so even though the $5 foot long marketing strategy was really great when it started out, in 2018 it was actually not required for all Subway franchises to offer the $5 foot long, and it simply wasn't profitable anymore due to inflation or the difference in the cost of living. For example, it took a franchise in California a little over $4 to make the sandwich, so they were making less than $1 profit on each one sold. However,
just in their head, do you trust people doing math in their heads? Right, those are all questions. So those are actually hard to doubt the quality of.
I'm going to sleep. The snow is still falling. We probably have like 3 inches now.